Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. Recently, I've been hearing a lot about how the Cannes Film Festival is paid and how the influencers or the celebrities, pay to get to these events. So I am here to bring out the truth to you guys, and trust me, my sources are very, very honest. Reason being, I am one of those people who has already been offered, like, I cannot put the name of the brand who offered me to go to Cannes Film Festival on a paid ticket, but yes, I got offered, and that was this very year. So I do have honest opinion, and I have the honest facts with me to state that it is very much true that a lot of influencers actually pay to attend the Cannes Film Festival every year. And it has just come to light with all the social media. And this year, if you see, a lot of influencers have walked the red carpet, which is absolutely true. You want to go there, make your mark, and you if you can afford, it's absolutely okay to go, I believe. But with people trying to bully influencers and going for fact checks and this and that, you should know that to be somewhere in life, you definitely need to invest in things. I know this is unpopular opinion, but the fact remains that if, for example, I wanted to start with my creator journey, you know if I have good clothes, if I'm a fashion, if my niche is fashion, and if I have good clothes, I can somewhere start with it. But those clothes are already an investment. So if I have good makeup and my niche is beauty, I can use those to start my base, right? But for established creators, they want to go further in, with their work, with their life, like everything. So if you see somebody like Vishnu Kaushal, well, he has accomplished a lot for the work that he's done, and with the comedy that he does, he's been to a certain level. So if he wants to climb up another ladder, and if he feels that investment is worth it, so he will do it. And it's absolutely okay to pay if you want to achieve and be somewhere. Maybe if he didn't invest in the Cannes Film Festival, there wouldn't have been the same amount of hype, right? But that hype gets him business, it gets him work, and maybe it's just a one business deal thing for him to get that 10-15 lakh rupees back to his bank account. So it just doesn't make sense to keep criticizing the influencers and putting some honest light. I have this email from the brand. I cannot show the brand name, so I can just show you these little like glimpse of it, and I will read it out to you. So this is strictly private and confidential email. That is one of the main reasons I cannot disclose what brand wanted me to work with them and pay for the tickets and be there. But I'm not somebody, I would rather prefer to go on merit than to pay for a ticket and go, because I feel I do credible work. In my opinion, I put in a lot of hard work and effort, and my Instagram and YouTube are a constant reflection of the amount of hard work I put in like into my work. So this email states that this email is strictly private and confidential. I'm just going to read the main part. So dates are May 14th to 25th 2024. Deliverables: one red carpet ticket. Okay, let's just hear this out. One red carpet ticket. Investment 8 lakh rupees plus GST. So this would come up somewhere around 9.5 or 10 lakh rupees inclusive of GST. And apart from that, payment terms are 4 lakh upon confirmation, 4 lakh on 5th May. That is before going to the event, once I get all the visa and everything. Upon receipt of your payment, an official invitation letter will be promptly issued to you. So they will issue me a letter that I am going to the Cannes Film Festival. The payment is non-refundable in any circumstances from your end. The pricing specified is applicable solely until 1st May. So if I approve till 1st May, this would have been the price that would have been okay for me. You are welcome to be a part of the step celebrity styling showroom and choose an outfit for your red carpet and get the whole look curated by our esteemed production house that styles more than 120 international celebrities and influencers from across the globe during those 12 days. Or you can source garments from your own resource pool. Well, they gave me options. Like, I'm a not like a thin size person, so obviously my size is not available with the a lot of European designers. So that was one of the main reasons they asked me to get in my own team if required and get my own outfit made, which in my opinion made no sense. Because if I am doing everything, then what am I earning out of it? Nothing. Like, even I don't see the future benefit of it, right? So each to their own, of course, each to their own. If you see the benefit of it, please, sure, go ahead. So after that, what they wrote is extra expenses jo honge as per actuals, 100 to 1000 euros for alteration of your red carpet outfit if you plan to visit our showroom for sourcing. So if you source the outfit, then you have to pay for the alteration also. 900 euros for the Getty Images photographer. So this can get me into trouble, guys, but this is what the honest reality is. Who will click your images on the red carpet? Any international press media that you'd like to engage with is charged as per actuals, like Elle Official, Vogue, Elle, Harper Bazaar, all of these magazines. If you want to get featured, so they will also be charged. We request you to stay for a minimum of 7 days during the festival. Mind you, the expenses for staying are my own. The team is my own. Only they were ready to provide me outfits, that too if I fit into them. So bizarre. And your ticket will be given to you on the same day, 2-3 hours before the red carpet, third to fourth day of your visit to Cannes. For participating designers, brands, celebrities, and influencers, kindly look for attachments. They give me a series of attachments to see that if it actually they are the original team who send people to Cannes. So if I would be interested to pay and go, so they then sent me links across to see that if I genuinely want to go. They send me genuine links of the influencers or the designers, celebrities that they sent for the trip. So that's that. I have given you exact detail of the email. So imagine I would have paid for the ticket, I would have paid for my stay, I would have paid for my hair and makeup person. Makeup I do on my own, so not the makeup person but the hair person. And the sourcing, if I actually fit into any of their garments, so that if I want to get pictured by Getty Images, so that. So yeah, basically I pay for everything and then I get to that ticket to the red carpet. Okay, in my opinion, it made no sense for me to do that. I am already somebody who works equally hard, and I would love if I get to work on merit basis, because I've always believed in that. And yes, it is a true reality that you can pay for your Cannes ticket and go, whether it's an influencer. Generally, when it comes to film celebrities, because Cannes is a film festival, so film celebrities are invited, right? Or they become representatives from some or the other firm, and then that is how they go. So yeah, this being said, like this year, Kiara Advani was the one who represented India and like female cinema, and she was talking all about that. So she was like the official representative. And coming to the fact that celebrities, like actors, necessarily do not pay for anything. They are good with freebies, and that's a fact. That's a fact. All of their outfits are sourced. Their makeup artists are, some of them come on a collaborative basis, while the others are their fixed team that they work with like throughout the year for the promotions, everything else. So yeah, this is a real fact that if any influencer wants to go to Cannes Film Festival now, they can pay, they can go, they can be there, they can enjoy, have their moment. And I believe it's each to their own. If you really feel like attending an event worth 10-15 lakh rupees will give you that future benefit, please go ahead, do it, or maybe do it for your own enjoyment purposes, like your call. But this is the true reality. And because I personally got this email, that is how I am so sure that you pay for it, and there are other sources who confirmed the same thing for me. So yeah, it's a fact. And for those of you who are interested, you should know that they come at a cost. So 80, or rather I would say 90% of the influencers pay to go. 10% are genuine brand partners. Like for example, L'Oreal takes a lot of influencers, whether from India and abroad. Like Kaushal is one of those influencers who was one of the first partners to be taken. Then there are many more. So yeah, this is a fact. And that's it. Today was all about spilling the beans around Cannes Film Festival and the hype about influencers, every influencer being there at Cannes. So this is the honest reality. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and share this video with your friends. I'll see you very soon. Much love. Don't forget to subscribe.